We have 900 signed up. Yeah, last year 350 signed up and 650 showed up, so sign up before you show up.
We are at Atco Dragway for Kies Auto Show. It's just before 8 in the morning. We're just getting set up right now, and pretty soon the cars are going to be rolling in, and it's going to be an awesome show.
Yeah, so far we got a lot of people on the way, so it's gonna be, this thing is gonna be packed. And we have like 35 people racing, which is gonna be awesome too. So.
What's going on, everybody? Kies Auto Show 2023. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Y'all can get to see Gumby race today and a bunch of other cars racing today. If you missed it, you missed out.
Amazing event, amazing racing, amazing people, and I can't even believe how well this went. No rain, not a drop of rain. At one point it was 80% chance of rain. But for that we had great vendors, we had food, we had crazy fast cars, we had cool people. It was just such a good event. Is that good?
So this is kind of crazy. The show was only 2 weeks ago, and Atco just announced that they're permanently closed after 63 years in business, and everything scheduled through 2023 has been canceled. We had no idea at the time that our show would be one of the last events ever held at Atco, and it's really too bad because I thought it was a pretty cool venue, and it's always great seeing so many modified BMWs in one place. Huge thank you to everyone who came out to the show, and thanks again to everyone who came and said hi to me in person. It's always great meeting you guys. Anyway, after the show, I was able to shoot some content with Kies. We put together like an ultimate maintenance guide for the F30. We changed every fluid on the car, coolant, transmission fluid, differential, brakes, and more. We even did some modifications while we were in there as well. So look forward to that video pretty soon. I'm working on editing that one right now. But anyway, thank you to everyone who came out to the show. If you missed it this year, you gotta come next year. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.